morning, Sange. So we are on our way to Gunsa. See you in few hours. We are looking very much forward to see you and enjoy that part of Arunachal. And my friend also want to say hello. So just 1 second.
Yes, hello, I'm Lisa. Looking forward to meet you very soon.
Oh, and here's Ole. Also looking forward to see you. And hello, Sange. My name is Paul. See you in a moment.
As you can see, even the fans of the school are not in good condition, so we will be changing the fan also. Because in summer here the temperature gets till 40 degrees Celsius, which is very hot. And you can see some of the wirings here. These wirings are temporarily used. It was last used in 2019 during the election time. And since 1996 there has been no electricity in the school. So we are here in Paniduria. The school started around 1965 and it is one of the oldest schools in the region. So we are here in Paniduria village to give the electricity to the school, to its middle school. So stay tuned and let's see what we can do for the school. Changing the fan and giving the proper light and everything.
हमें स्कूल में लाइट आया और हम लोग बहुत खुशी है और हम लोग पहले में यहाँ में लाइट और फैन सब भी नहीं था और अभी आया तो हम लोग बहुत अच्छा से फीलिंग कर रहे हैं और पहले बहुत गर्म होता था अभी तो फैन भी आई है और लाइट भी आई है इसलिए हम लोग बहुत खुशी है। ये आप लोग ने फैन डाल के अच्छा कर दिया और आप लोग ने लाइट लोग भी डाल दिया इसलिए थैंक यू।
Varinder Singh. I'm one of the founder of Namaste Foundation in Denmark that is a part of Roskilde Festival. I'm so happy to be here as a part of Namaste Foundation that is a part of Roskilde Festival. After 27 years, the solar panel has given the school light, and I hope the light is going to be there for many years. This is a project together with Holiday Scout and Namaste Foundation that is a part of Roskilde Festival in Denmark. But I'm sure there will be more projects here in Arunachal Pradesh from our side. Thank you.
My name is Lisa Nielsen, and I'm so honored to be here to this celebration of the new solar system for your school. I'm a citizen of Denmark, and I'm a good friend of the Namaste Foundation, and I have heard about this project since it started, and I know that Mr. Singh, who is one of the initiative takers for this solar system, he has been very happy and proud that it has been implemented now. So being here in this beautiful village with all of you and having this reception, it was extremely touching, and I do know that this solar system will help the children of the village to improve the education and the quality of the education, and I'm very happy to be part of that, and I wish the village all the best of luck with the solar system. So I will thank the Holiday Scouts and Namaste Foundation, and I really hope that the city will have good use of the solar system.
Hello, my name is Paul. Okay, my name is Ole. I'm from Denmark, but and have been enjoying the celebration of the solar panels and system that has been to the school. And I hope you will have a lot of fun and enjoy the you have the power now in the school. Thank you for let us see you in function.